Hello guys, this is my first YouTube video. I never thought I'd be making one, but here I am. So how to cheat in online exams conducted by universities. So basically, the universities use a software to conduct online exams called Proctor Software. Now what does this Proctored software do? It takes access to your webcam and microphone, so it can get access to your voice and also your complete movements. Now the AI in the Proctored software can detect your face, it can detect your eyes, and it can also detect your body movements including your hand movements. Now I'm recording this video from my webcam. So yes, I'm in the exact position in which I'm giving the exam. So while giving the exam, at most what do I need? I might need a paper and a pen. I might do some calculations. I might look at the screen, read the question, and yes, I might give the answer. That's it. Now this comes under the normal flow, right? Now let's say I'm looking away from the screen. Let's say my hands are moving elsewhere. Let's say I'm getting up and moving out of the room. Now the AI will recognize this as abnormal flow of a test taker. Now a genuine test taker will not do this, right? So what happens? Your complete session of examination will be recorded. Let's say my examination is for 45 minutes. The complete session for 45 minutes will be recorded. And after the exam, the examiner can know how many times you cheated. It will be shown on the screen of your exam, right? So once he opens your complete session of exam, the examiner can know at which intervals in your 45-minute exam you cheated. Now let's say in my 45 interval of exam, I tried to cheat at the 3rd minute. I also tried to cheat at 5th minute, 8th minute, 12th minute, and also the 15th minute. So the examiner knows that I tried to cheat or really cheated at those intervals. So the examiner has the information about where did you cheat, when did you cheat, how did you cheat, and also the number of times you tried to cheat. Now it's completely in the hands of the examiner. He can send you a warning or he can terminate the exam as well. The examiner can also make common announcement to all the students, like 1 hour left to the exam or half an hour left to the exam, and so on. So I'd say it's really tough to cheat in online proctored exam than your regular exam where you have a physical examiner. So if you want to challenge AI or launch a war on robots or something, you may go ahead, but I'd say it's not worth a risk. So my advice would be, get your ass in line and study. There's still time left, right? So all the best for your exams. Prepare well. Thank you.